welcome back, and in today's tutorial is a two-tone blue eyeshadow that is perfect for party or any special occasions. Yeah, ito guys, yung two-tone blue eyeshadow. May shimmer sa inner corners. Yan. And I've completed this look with a nude lipstick from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, yung inspirer nila. Yan. And for the eyeshadows, itong dalawa lang na palette ang ginagamit ko. It's from EYN Bright Matte. And itong si OPV eyeshadow palette. Dito sa OPV ko kinuha yung nasa inner and outer corners na blue. Meron siyang konting shimmers. Ito siya. Yan. And yung sa middle naman is itong Daydream. So shades of blue din. Yan siya. Teal. Ang ginamit kong transition eyeshadow is itong si Bare Necessity. For my lashes guys, is gamit ko itong binili ko online. It's Taiwan made. Yan siya. Meron siyang, it has 10 pairs of eyelashes. Ayan. Meron na siyang kapartner na glue. Eyelash glue. Mga ka-beauties, do keep watching para malaman nyo kung paano ko na-achieve itong two-toned blue eyeshadow.